What's going on, Royal We family? This is the day that we are going to take off and fly up out of narcissistic abuse, and together we're going to make an agreement. We're going to make a pact, the Royal We Pact, that going into this new year, we're going to continue to soar high up over the narcissistic drama and trauma of this world. If you're with me, say I. I. All right, good. Now then, I've got a surprise for you. This is the moment that all of you have been waiting for, okay? Some of you have been waiting for. All right, 13 of you, I know for sure, have been waiting for this moment, and it's waiting for you inside. But before we do that, you're gonna see this little mark on my finger right there. You see that? That right there, guys, is what it looks like when you smash your fingernail. And I gotta tell you this, it hurts bad, especially in the cold. So no, it's not a sign of cancer or any of these weird things that you see online. That is a smashed finger in the cold, and it hurts. All right, let's get inside because it's cold out right now. All right, here we go. And here you are. This is the new Royal We drone that is going to be taken to the skies. Yes. Now, when the Royal We started, it was out of a place of pain and anger and bitterness and frustration and confusion because I had experienced rejection and humiliation and embarrassment and demeaning and devaluing and bullying by the very people who I cared deeply about and who I thought cared deeply for me. And what an eye-opening experience. What an awakening moment to open your eyes and to realize that the people who you think should care for you may not. And I'm talking about family, parents, siblings, spouse, brothers, sisters, friends, church leaders. It's an awakening, defining moment. And because of this, I withdrew and I went to a place of isolation. I went no contact and I became secluded as I processed all of the pain and all of the confusion. But what was really taking place was more than just a processing of the pain. It was a transformation. A transformation was taking place in my life as it is in your life. And this transformation has to take place in order for you to step up to the next level in your life. I stand here today with you, a brand new person. And going into this new year, we're gonna be doing some brand new things. And the best way that I can help you to understand this transformation is to share with you this idea that I have that I like to call the butterfly effect. Write this down, the butterfly effect. Now, I'm not talking about the Hollywood version of the butterfly effect that has to do with time travel and all this weird stuff that makes no sense whatsoever. I'm talking about a butterfly effect that will make sense to you coming out of narcissistic abuse and healing. You see, all butterflies start out as caterpillars. Caterpillars are some of the most vulnerable creatures as they roam around dragging their face in the dirt, risking being stepped on and stomped on and picked up by birds and predators. And it's from this place where they're dragging their face in the dirt that they make their way up to form a cocoon, isolating themselves from the rest of the world. And in this cocoon, a major transformation is taking place. Major. Talk about discomfort as they grow new legs and new arms and wings and all this stuff inside the cocoon. That's stage 2. And then stage 3 is they open up out of the cocoon and they are a brand new creature flying high above the dirt where their face was once dragging. You follow me? And it's in the air that they carry out their purpose and pollinate and procreate and do adulting and all that fantastic stuff, and they're beautiful. Now, you and I coming out of narcissistic abuse, that was us having our faces dragging in the dirt. And then we go no contact. You withdraw, you isolate, and it's in this place of isolation this cocoon that you form around yourself where major transformation is taking place. And I know it feels like you're just processing hurt all the time and you're in pain all the time, but what's really happening is a transformation. You're growing new parts emotionally, mentally, new understanding, a new awakening. It's forming a new you in your cocoon. And now, stage 3 is busting out of the cocoon, opening your wings, and getting ready to fly. It's my hope that you stick with the Royal We as we continue to soar high up over this world of narcissistic abuse and all the drama and the trauma of this life. Now, you are welcome to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me through the website www.jointheroyalwe.com. There, you can also get linked up with the Royal We Facebook support group. It's full of people who are ready and willing to help you out and to listen to you and to support you. Once again, www.jointheroyalwe.com, and I will see you next time right here on the Royal We.